Cloves are one of the best natural plants and have wonderful health benefits. But millions of people don't know the best way to take cloves to recover from many diseases and obtain a huge amount of amazing benefits that can change your life for the better. Taking only 3 sticks of cloves can give your body all the health benefits it needs, but it must be taken as we will mention in this video. Before we start, if you have taken cloves, press like to let us know how many people are interested in these types of videos. And if you are new to the Ozcan Healthy channel, subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Welcome again to Ozcan Healthy. What happens inside your body when you take cloves? If you want a healthy life free of chronic diseases, be sure that cloves are the right choice. We'll talk about the hidden side of cloves. It's known that cloves have a distinctive smell, often associated with dentist offices because they relieve tooth pain. When 1 or 2 sticks of cloves are placed on an inflamed tooth, it immediately soothes it. We also recommend using it on the tooth that has pain until you can see a dentist. But now we will talk about other secrets of cloves that you'll be surprised to know. Cloves are distinguished by the presence of the active substance, eugenol, which has several properties. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal agent. In addition, eugenol is one of the most powerful natural antioxidants in the world. In this video, we will discuss the amazing benefits of cloves, the diseases they treat, and the correct ways to take them based on the benefit you want to obtain. We'll also show you how to prepare a wonderful recipe for cloves that everyone can take, whether sick or healthy. The health benefits of cloves. 1. Treating acne. Cloves are a powerful antibiotic, antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal which helps treat acne. Put 3 clove sticks in boiling water for 5 minutes, then filter the water and apply it to the face or affected areas. This natural remedy from Ozcan Healthy can help clear your skin effectively. 2. Treating stomach ulcers. Cloves have therapeutic properties for stomach ulcers and can fight candida and worms in the digestive system. Boil 3 sticks of cloves in 100 milliliters of water and take a teaspoon in the morning and evening. This method can bring noticeable relief in just a few days. 3. Reducing stress. Stress affects the body's health by increasing cortisol, the stress hormone. To relieve stress, put 3 clove sticks in a cup of green tea and drink it. This simple drink can help reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. 4. Enhancing testosterone. Cloves enhance testosterone and improve sperm health. Grind 2 sticks of cloves and add them to a cup of milk for a beneficial drink. This combination can help boost energy and vitality in men. 5. Strengthening the immune system. Cloves are rich in vitamins and minerals like manganese, vitamin K, vitamin C, magnesium, calcium, and vitamin E, which help strengthen the immune system. Add 3 sticks of cloves to a cup of green tea. This powerful mix can help protect your body from infections. 6. Regulating blood sugar. Manganese in cloves helps regulate blood sugar and control insulin levels, which is crucial for people with diabetes. Regular consumption can help maintain healthy blood sugar levels. 7. Promoting respiratory health. Cloves help prevent respiratory infections, alleviate symptoms of colds, influenza, asthma, and bronchial infections, and expel phlegm. This makes them a great natural remedy for maintaining respiratory health. 8. Aiding weight loss. Cloves contain high fiber, reducing hunger and promoting a feeling of fullness. Incorporating cloves into your diet can help you manage your weight more effectively. 9. Improving liver functions. Cloves contain antioxidants that help reduce liver fat and the risk of cirrhosis, preserving liver health. Regular intake of cloves can support and protect liver functions. 10. Improving bone health. Cloves are rich in manganese, essential for bone health, and can reduce joint inflammation and treat rheumatoid arthritis. Studies have shown their effectiveness in maintaining bone density and overall bone health. 11. Fighting cancer. Cloves have active substances that poison and destroy cancer cells, especially in the colon and breast. This makes cloves a potent natural ally in cancer prevention. A wonderful recipe for clove drink from Ozcan Healthy. Prepare 200 milliliters of water and 3 sticks of cloves and add manuka honey. Boil the cloves in the water for 15 minutes, let it cool, then pour into a cup and add a spoonful of manuka honey. Drink it in the morning on an empty stomach or in the evening an hour before bed. This simple recipe can enhance your overall well-being. Quick warning from Ozcan Healthy. Pregnant women should consult a doctor before taking cloves, as they can affect the fetus. Cloves are not safe for children under 14 years old and those with bleeding disorders due to the eugenol content, which can cause bleeding. Also, avoid cloves before surgical procedures. Dear viewers, that's all we have for today. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Leave your opinion in the comment section. And for new viewers, subscribe to the Ozkin Healthy channel and turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.